Okay, so hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is no contact reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 29th of December. The roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also if it is not resonating, not your story. If you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. It has the power to change your life. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots, or you can mail us if you have any queries. The mail ID is themodernsanyasini@gmail.com. Now let's start. Scorpio, the person that you have no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment, honey. We have the Knight of Swords, Queen of Cups, Ten of Pentacles. This is someone who is torn between practicality, logic, love, and financial status, financial stability and security and safety. Now, their mind is running totally in the different direction of their heart. The heart is kind of feeling like to have a secure and safe kind of connection. Their mind is might be running towards money, job, career, and finances. Okay, let me tell you the story now. Now this person is feeling that they practically they should not come back to you, they should not even connect with you, because there is no way possible that this situation is going to be peaceful and stable. Emotionally they are still very much connected to you, and they feel that you guys still have something left in the situation, and you guys can sort it out if taken care of with love and compassion. These are the feelings, honey. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Let's see. We have the Nine of Pentacles, the Page of Swords, and the Seven of Cups. What they want from you, as of now, this person doesn't want anything to do from you or with you. Right now, they want to work on their individual self growth, happiness, money, job, career, and they want to keep their options open, but from a distance. It's like it's just like me. I want my independence, but I like people, but from a distance. It's like from a detachment kind of energy. Now this person wants to work on themselves. They want to keep their options open, connect with multiple people, multiple energies, but from a distance, keeping themselves as the center of their world. Okay, so basically they want to work on themselves and simultaneously want to connect with people with whom might be they're going to find the one for them. As of now, they are not considering only you as the person for them, they are considering you as one of the person for them, but they are trying to be as independent as they can and work on themselves. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 29th of December, Scorpio. We have the Five of Cups, the Ace of Wands, the Nine of Wands there. It's like too much in regret or guilt to take any kind of initiative from their side. That is why not doing anything about the situation, and they are in this energy of keeping their guards up, keeping their guards as high as possible from their side, because they are too much in this energy of, if I'm going to open up or if I'm going to do anything, it's going to like go against me only. So that is energy from this person's side. That is why this person is not doing anything about the situation. Guilt or regret or something is kind of keeping them away from the situation, even though they have the desire to reconnect, but they are kind of choosing to not to connect and keeping you blocked if they have already blocked you, and or they are trying to block you in some way. Yeah, guidance for the World card. You have to finish the unfinished business within yourself about this situation. If you're not getting a proper closure, and or if you're not able to move on from the situation, you have to find your own closure in the situation. You have to find your own solution in the situation, because if you're waiting for this person to give you some kind of solution or give you some kind of closure or make you happy or something like that, guess what, you keep on waiting, then you are giving the energy and power to somebody else for your happiness, for your growth, and this can never happen. Never in this lifetime can it happen when you are dependent on something else or someone else for your own happiness, that you are going to be happy. It can't happen like that. You have to take the responsibility of your own happiness, of your own sorrow, of your own closure, of your own energies of uh, being responsible for waiting or wasting your time on something or someone that you know is not good for you or is not worthy of your time or resources. So yeah, reality check. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.